Okay, so another quick tip for you now, and we're going to be looking at measurements and how to view it a bit like a multimeter. So measurements are great. They help visualize obviously a measurement of a signal on the screen. There are of course a number of different measurements that you can do on any active channel. Now, some measurements work better depending on which mode the oscilloscope is capturing data. So, as we should know, there are two modes to the oscilloscope. There is block mode and streaming mode. So, block mode is a bit like you're doing a burst shot on a camera. So you press and hold the button and it takes quick pictures, and obviously actually if you replayed them, you kind of get a video coming back. Streaming though, on the other hand, is like a video recording. So it's just showing you in real time the actual signal as it's coming into the oscilloscope. Now, those two modes change over depending on what time base you'll get. So by default, anything up to 200 milliseconds per division, this is, up to 100 milliseconds per division, is in this block mode. Once we go over to 200 milliseconds per division, we're into streaming. So we're going to start in our block mode, and we are going to look at our measurements, and we're going to add in, let's say, the average of this signal. So we are currently capturing temperature through the BNC Plus oscilloscope, and obviously we're just watching the temperature difference across a component. So I have two active channels. We're going to add a measurement for both, and we are going to do the average. Now, this view here, obviously our measurements can be displayed in small, medium, or large. Large being the better option here, because that gives us this kind of multimeter view. Now, the average works best when we are in block mode. So this is this time base below 200 milliseconds per division. This is where if we were to go to streaming mode, you'll see now that actually this measurement just quickly flashes up and then disappears again. Reason being is that we have to get to the very end of the window of the buffer before we can average out this signal in our measurement. So this is where, if we're looking to use multimeter view or a multimeter style view, keep your measurement in block mode.